In this video, we are going to demonstrate on how to install the M900 electrolyte analyzer, and these are the accessories that are with the analyzer, and you will receive them. And first thing, you need to check one by one of all the reagents and electrodes and the reagents for different uses. And the first step of the installation should be installing the electrodes here. A whole set of all the electrodes that are matched with potassium and all the other electrodes here on the analyzer. And these are reagents. You can consider them in the solution of the electrodes. This one is for ref electrode, reference electrode, this one. And these two small bottle, or this small bottle reagent for electrode internal is for these different electrodes, and this one is for cleaning the tubes of the analyzer, and this one is the activating solution of the analyzer, mainly for the electrodes. And this one is a bottle of QC solution for this analyzer. And this box containing electrode washing solution. You can use them after a while of testing and just to help the electrodes maintaining the best condition of them. And this one is the reagent pack for the analyzer. And now we are starting to install the analyzer and put it for the first time of use. First, you need to put the electrodes inside the electrode box, and following the order of the electrodes here. And the first step, you need to make sure the inner solution is at a sufficient level here, and put it like this. Others, same thing, flick the bottom of the electrode in case there are bubbles that could affect testing. And for other, same, flick, shake. I've already removed the bubbles once earlier, so you can directly put them in place. And for the ref electrode, you can do this to remove the bubbles and make sure there are no invisible bubbles at this place. And then put it right here. And make sure they are flat here. Then tighten the knob here so there won't be air leakage in this electrode box. This is the installation of the electrodes. And then it's the pump tube here, main receive. It should be like this, and you need to put it like this. Make sure both are tightened and close the flap right here, the pump tube. And this is the probe. You can simply close the flap here. This is the distributive valve. Just make sure the tubes are tightly connected. Put the reagent first. Take off the rubber, and here put the bottom inside first. Then push from the top and make sure it's well connected. And this is the installation of the analyzer. Now we turn on the analyzer. First, it's gonna do a round of self-checking and make sure all the parts are working in a good condition. It's gonna absorb some reagents in the tubes, and you can check if the liquid is running without bubbles, because it will affect testing if there is leakage or bubbles in the tubes. See, the reagent is running without bubbles. When you first install it, we recommend you to head to the advanced setup and choose input user password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press OK and pump A or B for a few times, just to let the reagent fill in the tubes so it won't affect the testings.